The game plan is you will be the owner and you will insure your child, no, any one of your child, or get multiple policies, kuhanan mo rin sila, no, bawat isa, pa pwedeng ganun. Right? Basta the goal is you subdivide your wealth already. Let's say you have 10 million cash or 20 million cash or magkano man yung gusto mong ipunan in the future. Right? You subdivide, you get something for them. Sila yung insured, hindi ikaw. Kasi probably, let's say some of the older people might have medical issues na hindi na talaga insurable. So this can be applicable to you. Or if you're watching this and you're still young, maybe this is for your parent, this is for your tito or tita. Alright, pwede mo i-share sa kanila to. So listen. Alright, so the owner will have control of the money. The insured, which is the children or the younger one, will be the insured. Alright, so he or she doesn't have control of the money. He or she cannot withdraw that policy, that single pay VUL or an endowment plan because he or she is not the owner, insured lang siya. Alright? But at the time of death of the owner, instantaneously, the ownership changes from the old owner to the insured. Right? Unless may contingent owner, which is another discussion. Alright? But let's just say wala, and then this person, this child, is to say legal age by the time age 18, the ownership transfer to this person, to the insured, yung bata, and then, tsaka siya magkakaroon ng control dun sa money. Alright? If it's a single pay VUL, then he or she can withdraw that in full or keep it there and lumalaki pa rin yung kita nun. Right? And then, right, kapag naman po yung endowment plan, if there's a payout like A plus signature, you get 10% of the face amount every 2 years. Kung face amount is 1 million, 100,000 marireceive mo every 2 years, every other year. Right? So yung anak na na-insured na ngayon is owner na dahil namatay na yung owner, yung parent, will now have control and the benefits will continue for the rest of his life. That's for A plus signature at the very least. Alright? So, ano nangyari dito? Since na-transfer yung ownership, alright, and walang cash out na nangyari, hindi naman natin siya dinonate, so wala rin deed of donation, wala rin donor's tax. Diba? Hindi mo siya binenta like a property wherein you need to pay capital gains tax. Right? Hindi rin kung kailan mo lang tinransfer at the time of death or after mamatay, you need to pay estate tax. Dito, inirelinquish mo na yung right mo dun sa pera papunta dun sa, let's say, dun sa insured. Parang kanya na yon at the time of death instantaneously. So, na-skip yung pagbabayad ng estate tax because the insurance policy is still there. Alright? And then, alive pa rin naman siya. And then, siya na yung bagong owner. Alright? So, that's how you can transfer your wealth tax-free. So, if you know people, kung hindi man sa'yo to, probably you have your parents, you have your tito or tita, or you have rich friends who might benefit from this idea. Kindly share this video to them or refer me, mention my name to them and let them talk to me and I can help them, configure how we can do this for their finances. So that's it for this video. If you have questions, leave in the comment section or PM me in my Facebook page. That's DJ Dimaliuat, or go to facebook.com/DJ Dimaliuat official. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.